Given that the core is generating and storing energy at infinite scales, we can choose to release the energy from the core and channel it via the pyramid complexes for all sorts of purposes. One purpose is to generate a defense grid that acts as a force field surrounding Earth's natural electromagnetic field. We use that grid for teleporting to any vector coordinate in the space vacuum structure of infinity. We manifest there instantly without experiencing g-forces or disruptions because the grid regulates our gravitational force field, so it cancels out gravity via electrogravitics differential, so we move across space at once instantly. And then you have a visual explaining the sequence. And that's the way we do it because remember, in the end, planet Earth is a spherical spaceship, right? And a spaceship moves like any vehicle would. It's just an extremely large one that creates universes. And because it has an infinite number of capabilities and it generates infinite energy, we can do anything we want with it. And when we designed it, we decided to have a defense grid that we activate at will. And it's essentially that as the pyramid complexes release the energy to create universes, that also acts as a defense grid. We also have our natural electromagnetic field, which is the one that we have, and we also have a defense grid. And that defense grid is off currently. It's not on. It will be turned on very soon. And with this defense grid, this energy gets released from the pyramids and essentially creates this force field around our planet, which acts as a mechanism to do all sorts of things because it cancels out gravity because of electrogravitics. Then we don't experience g-forces, so we can move around, and because we have the readings of infinity and the telemetry of it, we can just manifest ourselves in the way of teleportation to any point, any coordinate, any vector in creation, in the vastness of space and infinity. At will, we just choose a coordinate and we map out the filament and we manifest there instantly. So we use the force field for that, so it's faster in the way that, it's a very powerful mechanism that we have. And that's one of the mechanisms that we have for the defense grid. Also, we use it as a defense mechanism as well against moons and objects of that nature. Okay, so because remember, it's an object and it moves. This is our planet, and we just do what we please with it. It's just the whole purpose of it. It's movement.